everyone. I'm here to guide you on how to create an API key in OmniSend. First, click on your account name and select the store setting options. From the various options available, scroll down and locate the API key options of the left side. Once you have clicked on the API key, you will able to view it. If you want to create a new API key, simply click on the Create API Key button located on the right side. You will then be promoted to enter a name for your API key. Like you can customize your API key as per your requirements, such as using it for reports, data synchronization, or events. Once you have made necessary customization, hit the Save button, and there you have it. Your API key has been created successfully. Thank you so much for my watching videos. Please comment to me if you have any question. I will surely reply for you.